In this problem, we want to find the minimum sample size required based on the given information. So whenever I'm solving a problem about sample size, first thing I'm going to do is look at, is it a sample size for a mean or a proportion? And in this case, it's a sample size for a mean. So there's just one formula for that, and that's z sub alpha over 2 times the standard deviation divided by the margin of error, quantity squared. Now in your book, they square each of these components individually, and that's fine. Either way, you get the same result. This is a little bit less typing. So what do we have in the problem? They tell us that the confidence level is 95%. And I like to always just draw the distribution. Not a very good drawing, but that's okay. It just needs to be a rough sketch. I've got 95% in the middle, which means 5% left over for the two tails. So I take that 5% and divide by 2. And this is going to be z sub 0.025. So I'll use the inverse norm function, take 1 minus 0.025, because of course that 0.025 is on the left, or sorry, it's on the right, and we need to give the percentage on the left. And so this turns out to be 1.96. So that's the value for z. And the population standard deviation is known to be 60. And the margin of error is $2 because it says within $2. So that's our margin of error. And when I square this, I get 3,457.44. And of course, I lose the decimal part, and I'm going to go up to the next integer, and that is 3458. So that's my final answer on that problem.